Alright, y'all, it's your boy Nick. Welcome back to Nick's Dynasty. Today we have a quick, intense, simple cardio workout. So it's going to be a 3 exercise circuit. You're going to do one exercise for 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, do the next exercise for 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds. So you're on for 60, off for 30. And once you finish the round, you can take a break of like a minute or so, but hop back into it. I've been doing 3 rounds, but if you want to make this your sole workout, keep on doing until you get very taxed. You can go 5 rounds, 6 rounds. Just go on how your body. Obviously, if you're a beginner to working out, maybe you want to start off with 3 rounds or 2 rounds, or do this as a burnout. But it's 60 seconds on, 30 seconds rest, and it's 3 exercises. So let me show you how it's done. So the first exercise is the classic. It's not necessarily a high knees, but I'll call it the box touch. You're getting in great running form, standing tall, using those arms to swing like you're sprinting, getting those feet up and tap, 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 tap. And for this, you really want to make it your feet have less contact with any position that it's in, so it's really fast. So you don't want it to be at any position for too long. And if you don't have a box, just do a classic high knee like this, like you're sprinting in place. Just really try to be consistent through these 60 seconds. If you're starting off, just go for form and just go, go, go. Just be nice and smooth. And if you're more into shape, try to really challenge yourself and sprint as fast as you can. And when you're getting tired, still continuing to keep those arms pumping to go until your 60 seconds is over. And when you rest for 30 seconds, get water, breathe, whatever you need. Change the song. Just get ready for that second exercise to come up. So for the second exercise, it's kind of hard to explain, but you're coming up, then going over to the other side, up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. One foot's on there at one time, and if you don't have the box, just find a line and hop over if you don't have that box. But when you do have a box, you're lifting up, you're switching feet, going to other side, lifting up, switching feet, going to the other side, as you see here. And the final exercise is bear crawls. I don't have too much space right here, so I'm going forward and backwards. When you're going backwards, you kind of want to, you can stretch your legs out just straight back, or you can kind of rotate side to side. When you're going forward, you want to put your body weight forward over your shoulders and wrist, and really get those concentrative movements. You really feel this in your shoulder and your arms. And when you're going backwards, you feel in your legs and your hips. So nice and slow, and go nice and concentrated. Really feel those muscles. This is a great burnout. When I get to this part, I'm breathing hard and hard, but you're doing it for 60 seconds, and when it's over, you're done. Alright, y'all, so that's the workout. Very simple, but very intense. It'll definitely get your heart rate up. It'll work a little bit of your muscles too, your legs and your arms and shoulders. Those 3 exercises, just go as hard as you can for those 60 seconds. For 30 seconds, you take a breather. Wherever you are at your fitness journey, do that amount of rounds. So whether you're a beginner, do 2 or 3 rounds. Whether you're more advanced, do like 5 or 6 rounds. However your body is taking it. I hope you enjoy this workout. Comment below if you did it. Catch you next time. Peace.